This is very nice. You can actually use it to make your white soup. You can use it to make your pepper soup. You can use it to, you can cook it this way and just take it. In this particular remedy, we'll be needing this. This is called, I don't know how many of you that know this. If you know it, this is called aidanfruits in English. I'll put the name there. And it's also called oyayak in some part of Nigeria, and some also call it oheriha, and some call it different name. The English name is aidanfruit. It is very healthy, very good for the health. It has 4 parts. You can see it. It has 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in these 4 parts, this is a fleshy part. These 2 sides are the fleshy parts. This side are the bony parts. This is where the nutrient is coming from, actually, the fleshy part. So this is another one. I have to bring this one that is full so that you may be able to recognize it. This is a half one, the one I have already cut from. It comes in different sizes. This is actually very big. It was a very large one when I got it. You can get it from the market, from all those women that sells native things, from the people that sells omugo things too, because this is actually used to take care of a woman that just gave birth. It helps to get rid of bad blood. It helps to cleanse the womb. It helps to correct a lot of things in your body system. It reduces fats. It removes bad fats from the body, and when you use it to cook, it helps to detoxify the food, like remove all the toxins that might be in the food and make it safer for your enjoyment. So it's usually used to prepare native pepper soups for a woman that just gave birth, and someone that is trying to conceive too can as well use it to cleanse her womb. And someone that have fibroid, you also use it to manage and with time shrink your fibroid, because it's very, very good. This is a very healthy and natural remedy. So let's get into preparation. All we have to do now is to cut it. I've already cut some. I cut this way. So you can cut it in 2 ways. You can either remove the fleshy parts, which many people prefer it that way. You can remove the fleshy part, or you just cut it. You cut it this way. You can cut it this way. It even has a seed. You can as well remove the fleshy parts this way. You can remove the fleshy parts this way. You can decide to leave it. This is how it looks like. And this is the flesh. This is how it looks like. So this is all that you need. So I washed it before, but you need to wash it again. Wash it very well. Make sure that you can even use sponge. I like to wash mine before cutting it up, so you can use sponge to scrub it, these 2 sides, so that you don't have any dirt that will be left in there. I am done washing it. You can see how it looks in the pot. So all you have to do is to add enough water to cover. Add enough water. Yeah, so this water is enough for this quantity. We're going to put it on fire to boil. So it is well boiled, and this is what we have here. This is what we have here. This is about 5 to 10 minutes. It's not up to 20 minutes, it's not up to 15 minutes, but you can actually boil for a longer time, but not past you can actually boil for a longer time, but not past 20 minutes, okay, so that the water will not dry up. We are going to wait for it to cool down, and I will show you how it looks like and also tell you how to take it. So after it's cooled down, all you have to do, I think the steam is still there, but it has actually cooled. It's no longer hot. So all you have to do is to get your tumbler. Yeah, you can get your tumbler or your cup, anything that you are using to take it, and yeah, pour it there. When you come out in the morning, you can see how it looks. This is it. This is how it looks. So you get your tumbler. You can start with half tumbler, just as you can take. It is very nice. Like, it tastes nice. It tastes and smells like chicken. It tastes really nice. Like, you don't even need to add any other ingredients like salt. You don't need to add that. You know, when you are making medicine, you don't add some of those things, because some of those things will actually reduce the power. You understand? So all you have to do is to take it first thing in the morning and last thing at night. You take it every time for like 2 to 3 weeks. Then you can go and check for the fibroid, and after a while you will repeat the process. This is very nice. You can actually use it to make your white soup. You can use it to make your pepper soup. You can cook it this way and just take it. It burns fat, it shrinks fat, stomach fats, body fats. It helps you also to keep fit, to reduce fat after childbirth. It is really, really nice. It is healthy. It is natural, 100% natural. This is how to take it. And for the remaining one, make sure you warm it every morning and night. And take it warm. Make sure you take it warm. So you are going to keep that in the pot and warm it every morning and night. Take it first thing in the morning in an empty stomach, and last thing at night before you sleep. Make sure you take it warm. For the one I left in the pot, I will be using it to make pepper soup. Yes, it is very nice, and even someone that is not trying to conceive can actually use it. It is safe for everyone in the family, as long as that person have started eating normal food and you put in the food. It's not something that you use to cook all the food. You know, native food is always once in a while, so everyone can actually take it. So this is it, guys. Yeah, that's it for this video.